Today we're ranking the most expensive production cars ever sold. New, not auction records, not tuner builds. Prices shown are manufacturer launch prices where disclosed. Currencies stay as launched. Taxes, options vary by market. Let's roll. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. 3 cars, each coach built for its owner. Boat Tail headlines modern coach building with a rumored $28 million ticket. Champagne chiller in the rear, hosting suite, hand-finished everything. This is the pinnacle of bespoke. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, 3 reported builds, the ultimate Zonda send-off, open wheels, chopped windshield, and a price around $17.5 million. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a one-off tribute to the lost Type 57 SC Atlantic, 11 million pounds pre-tax, and a masterclass in carbon bodywork. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, 2 cars only. Trevita, 3 whites, refers to that shimmering diamond weave carbon. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, 9 built, a rolling arrow exercise with a $4.5 million tag. Automobili Pininfarina B95, 10 cars, open top EV Barchetta. Coach built minimalism meets 4-motor torque. W Motors Lycan Hypersport, 7 built, famously jeweled headlights and a $3.4 million sticker. Hennessy Venom F5 Roadster, 30 Roadsters planned at $3 million, Texas twin-turbo V8 and top-speed moonshots. Aston Martin Valkyrie, road legal Valkyrie around $3 million. The Wilder AMR Pro pushes track arrow to the edge. McLaren Solus GT, from video game concept to 25 real cars. Track only, 3.5 million pounds, single seat purity. Mercedes AMG 1, an F1 derived hybrid V6 in a road car, around $2.7 million. Engineering Everest. Ferrari Daytona SP3, Icona Series tribute to Ferrari's sports prototype Glory, 2 million pounds, naturally aspirated V12 art. Rimac Nevera, quad motor EV hypercar at $2.2 million. Torque vectoring party trick king. Lotus Evija, Lotus goes electric with Evija. The sticker, about $2.3 million. Tunnel through taillights are the signature. Zenvo Aurora, 50 total, split agile tour, sticker 2. 59 million, 2.83 million pound. Denmark's Wild Hybrid Aero, SSC Tuatara, up to $1.9 million depending on spec. Low drag silhouette and high speed intent. Tinger 21C, 80 planned at $2 million. 3D printed nodes and tandem seating, future tech chassis. Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, 33 cars, 1.7 million pounds, and buyer's choice. Twin turbo V6 or full EV. Bentley Mulliner Voiture, coach built Voiture, 18 coupes at 1.65 million pounds. Hand finished Grand Tourer. Maserati MC Extrema, 62 track only cars, reported 1 million pounds to $1.9 million depending on market. Nissan GT R50 by Idol Design, 50 coach-built GTRs at 990,000 pounds. Nissan X Idol Design Anniversary Special. Porsche 918 Spider, 918 units at $845,000. Hybrid Halo that rewrote the playbook. BMW 3.0 CSL, 50 cars, 750,000 pounds. The most expensive BMW sold new. Lexus LFA Nürburgring Package, 50 Nürburgring Package cars at 445,000 pounds. High Rev V10 Legend. Jaguar XJ220, 275 cars at 470,000 pounds. The 90s top speed poster. Cadillac Celestiq, hand-built, $340,000 starting, bespoke American flagship. Land Rover SV Carmel Edition, $370,000 limited spec for the US. Coast-to-coast lounge on wheels. Lucid Air Sapphire, tri-motor Sapphire at $249,000. EV sedan turns dragster. Audi R8 GT, $253,290. Farewell V10 with lighter, sharper everything. Toyota Century SUV, Japan-only chauffeur SUV, $170,000 to start. Genesis G90 3.5T ESC Prestige, $103,000 US top trim. Quiet luxury value play. Tesla Model X Plaid, highest price current Tesla, $101,630 tri-motor family rocket. Coach-built one-offs live on a different planet from regular hypercars. and both live far above brand flagships like Celestiq, Century, or R8 GT. Remember, prices shown are launch figures, usually before taxes options. Which tier would you pick and why?